Hey there.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Analytical YouTube Studio. Please share and subscribe. In Tutorial 2, we are going to see some basic 2D Catia designs. Look at the design and note down the dimensions. Open a part design. Then go to Sketch and select the top plane. Draw a circle of diameter 50 mm and pad it to 28 mm length. Again, select the top surface of the circle. Draw a circle of diameter 30 mm and pocket it of length 6 mm. Again, select the same surface. Draw a 20 mm diameter circle and pocket it up to last. Further, select the bottom surface of the circle and draw an arc of radius 15 mm using an arc by the center and at a distance of 35 mm. Also, draw another circle of diameter 12 mm. Using mirror tool, mirror sketches. Using corner tool options to make a curve, and using the constraint tool, make sure the line and surface circle are aligned properly. Exit the workbench and pad it 15 mm length. Next, select the side plane and draw a circle of diameter 6 mm and pocket it. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please share and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.